Hey, this is Bill Storm from BillStorm.com. Today I'm going to share with you the first step that you need to take before you start a business online. Okay, so ready for step one? So step one is not to choose what product or what service that you want to sell online. In fact, the number one thing that you need to do before you start any business period is decide what you want in your life and, more importantly, what you don't want. So Bill, what do you mean decide what I don't want? Well, let me take you back in time a little bit. I started my business back in 1998. And one of the things that I knew that I didn't want in my life is I didn't want to be controlled by somebody else's schedule. I wanted to be able to create my own time. I wanted to be able to make more money, and I wanted to have meaning behind the work that I did, but most of all, I wanted to have more freedom. So what did freedom mean to me? Okay, well, freedom meant to me that I wanted to be able to be available for my kids, for my family. I just decided that I didn't want to miss one game. I didn't want to miss one concert. I just basically didn't want to miss anything that had to do with my family. I, in fact, wanted to be home for dinner every single night. I wanted to be present as a husband and as a father. Okay, so how do you decide what you want and what you don't want? So here's what I did, and hopefully this will help you as well. All I want you to do is pull out a sheet of paper. If you're a little bit more high-tech, you can pull out your iPad. And on that sheet of paper on your iPad, you're going to draw a line right down the middle, and then you're going to draw a line across the top so you have a T. And on one side, you're going to put things I want, and then on the other side, you're going to put things I don't want. And I'm going to tell you that I think that where you'll get the most bang for your buck, where it's really going to hit home with you, is when you start to make a list of all the things that you don't want in your life. So here's another thing that was on my list. One of the things I did not want to do is I did not want to have to punch a clock, and I didn't want to have to go to an office. I wanted to be able to work here every day, right? This is my office. And I'm not saying that to impress you, but I'm saying that to impress upon you the fact that if I hadn't taken the time to know what I didn't want in my life, I couldn't have started taking the action steps that I needed to take in order to make it a reality. All right, hopefully you found that exercise helpful to you. So if you're looking for a simple, easy, and effective way to grow your business online, I actually would like to share with you the 6-step plan that I use to build my own business online, and you can find it in the description box below. Hey, hopefully this video was helpful to you today. If so, please make sure that you like it, and then drop me a comment below and let me know that you like it, you love it, and you want more of it so I can be sure to keep bringing you fresh new content. If you'd like to get notified when I have fresh new content available, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And here's a little tip. Be sure to click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll get notified each and every time I post a new video.